Okay, for this one, we are also making Gus, no, it's not Gus this time, it's an alien. We're going to make him move, and we're going to use our up, down, left, right arrow keys. So right now, you can't do anything. There's no code that came with this. I'm going to click next. I don't know why that is there. Close that up. Click next. The code you need to move them up is all right here. It says when I press the right arrow, I'm going to repeat 10 times. You actually can just do change Y by 10 pixels, but he's not going to go up very far. 10 pixels is not very much. You won't see him move much. So that's why we put the change Y by 10 inside of 10. So he's actually going to move 100 pixels when I press the right arrow. The next costume just changes kind of how he appears when you jump, and the weight will make it look like, it'll make the animation look a little more realistic. Now, if I look down here, you'll see how the code should be put together. Notice a difference here. My wait is 1 second. This wait is 0.05 seconds, or 5/100ths of a second. You're going to want to change this, because if you don't, it will be such a slow movement. If just think about it, waiting 1 second 10 times, repeating that 10 times, it's going to take 10 seconds for him to move up. That's going to be really slow. Then I'm going to click next. Now this code looks exactly the same, but it says we're going to make the actor move down when we press the arrow. So the first thing I know is I don't want to push the up arrow. I want to push the down arrow. So I need to change that. I'm going to repeat 10 times again, and I'm going to do the next costume. I'm going to do my weight, but again, I don't want my weight to be 1 second. I'm going to make that 0.05 again, and I'm going to change my Y. But if I change Y by 10, he's going to move up. So I got to change him by -10 to make him move down. I'm going to click. And then down here again, there's my code. Oh, they did -5. I'm going to stick with 10. I think that's what we did for the, I'm going to go back. See if we did 10 here. Oh no, we did 5. So I'm going to change it both to 5, make it change 50 pixels. It never hurts to go and look to see what the examples they give you are. 10, nothing wrong with 10. He's just going to jump higher or move higher when you press it. Next, try it out. So now if I press my up arrow, he goes up. Press my down arrow, he goes down. You can do that again. If I press it twice, he'll go up twice. Down, down. The last part of this is we want to make him move right. So I don't want to press the right up arrow to make him move right. I want to press the right arrow. I'm going to repeat 10 times. Next costume. Wait. Again, I don't want to wait a full second. That's going to be way too slow. And I'm changing X this time, not Y. Because if I change Y, it's going to go up and down again. Changing X changes left and right. And I'll just put 5 pixels here to match the other ones. I think this one says 5 also. Yep. So that is to move them right. So then to move them left, need these same blocks. Repeat. Put them together the exact same way. Reality, the order inside the repeat doesn't matter all that much because it'll happen fast. I'm going to make this 0.05. You probably want the weight last though. And this will be a -5 because we want him to go left. So -X, and my X is going to be -5. And I'm going to put left arrow. There now I have my left, right, up, down. And let's look at it. When I press my right arrow, he goes right. Press my left arrow, he backs up. Notice he doesn't turn around because we didn't do any coding to turn him around. So he just goes backwards. Up arrow, down arrow. All of them work. Hope this helps.